Mini courses are simple to do. Resources are very simple to do. Quizzes are medium difficulty. It's the greatest single marketing strategy in the history of my 9-10 year marketing career. I'm a big fan of quizzes, all right? Quizzes are very engaging. They are satisfying for people. People enjoy doing quizzes, and they're also a little bit more complex to get it done than a mini course and a resource. But for those of you guys that are into getting engineering and things like that, once you get through a learning curve in ManyChat, they are quite powerful. If you guys want to see an example of a quiz, you go to m.me/the-ninja-marketer. You want to write that down, m.me/the-ninja-marketer, and you type in the word quiz. Once you do that, it's going to trigger a Facebook ads quiz that we put together that you're going to see what the experience is like, which is quite incredible. People absolutely love it. It gives them value along the way. It educates them. It tells them what's wrong and what's right. And at the end, it gives them a result, and it presents to them an opportunity for them to engage further with you along the way. So that's a quiz. It's really powerful, and it could be done in ManyChat also. Now, this one right here does not only have to be done in ManyChat. If you guys want to get it done outside, I have a website that I like to recommend. If you guys want to figure out to do it outside on a website and send people to a site that has a quiz in it that also serves as a lead generation engine, there is a website called quiz-maker.com. You know what that website does? You guessed it. It makes quiz. So it's quiz-maker.com. You answer a series of questions, and you give them what the answers should be for those questions. You just go through the process, and now at the end of it, you have a beautiful quiz about your brand, about your business that can lead towards a particular result. Many things like that. For example, on Damon John, which is the People's Shark, co-host of Shark Tank, we recently launched a quiz that's called, Can You Speak Like a Shark? And it pulls them for a series of questions, and at the end, it gives them a solution for them to be able to get a little bit closer towards speaking like a shark. So that's something that you can do yourself outside a website, on another website, and then just use a lead generation machine, like a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad, to bring them into this quiz maker, capture that identity, and now control that relationship along the way. Mini courses are simple to do. Resources are very simple to do. Quizzes are medium difficulty. And now we go into advanced, and that will be contests. Contest is more advanced, but at the same time, as many things that are advanced, there's a lot more power in the advanced side of things. The most incredible strategies that I've incorporated in the world of marketing are coming from contests. In 2020, if you probably have seen me talk about this many times, because I was so blown away what we did, and people were blown away also, that a lot of people asked me questions about what did I do and how did I do it. So I did a campaign, which is I used to call the humanitarian campaign, in the middle of COVID-19, and I did it for many brands, and it was successful on every single one of these brands. We created a contest that created participation and had people participate themselves by sharing the links, spreading the word, staying active, and doing certain things. And there are several things that you can do for this. This could be done in ClickFunnels too, but the simplest platforms that we used for that are ManyChat, number one, and another one called 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗏.com. On 𝗙𝗙𝗟, for example, which is a subject for another training, you can actually create these contests very easily and have people follow a Facebook page and join your Instagram profile and engage with your Messenger channel, and you can have them give you their identity and spread the word and share a link, and you can do all those things on 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗏.com. I like to use ManyChat, and I have done very successful strategies on ManyChat because of what it allows us to do. I have one strategy that I did in 2020, which it's the greatest single marketing strategy in the history of my 9-10 year marketing career. If you go to agmninjalab.com, there is one course that is called the Epic Growth Hacking Masterclass. That's the name of the course. 10,000 to 220,000 subscribers without spending a dime. That sounds great, right? I actually created a marketing strategy that took a list of 10,000 people And in 6 weeks gave me 220,000 people of qualified people. And that helped us expand dramatically our natural slim business. This was particularly for the natural slim side of things. We didn't just grow. We didn't just grow like we had done previous years. We had gone from 6 to 10 million. And then the next year in 2020, we went to $22 million. So we had an over 100% growth year over year. This is the reason why we accomplished this ridiculous growth. So I put together a training for that, which is a few hour training. And you can actually get access to this, or you can figure it out yourself. All you gotta do is pay $97 a month and you get access to the whole training. Because what I did with that one was that I created a whole strategy. It was all done in ManyChat. And I created a few content pieces, and that content piece went viral and helped me bring people into this contest. And the people that came in helped me spread the word. And it was all done with 2 apps, ManyChat and Google Sheets. And that's all, ManyChat and Google Sheets. And with that, I created a whole contest, and people would know their position in the contest. I had winners. I had people that were engaged with it, that were spreading the word. The whole thing went viral. People were spreading the word everywhere, on email, on Messenger, on Instagram, on Facebook, on all over the place. People were talking about what we had going on. It was a humanitarian campaign because we gave something that we usually sell for free in exchange for participation. So if you guys want to know the details, contests are incredibly powerful, but they are more advanced and they require more ninja knowledge along the way.